Marseille's beaches may look pristine from afar, but if you give them a closer look, they're certainly not free of pollution. Cigarette butts, straws, plastic bottles and carrier bags can all be found along the beaches on France's southern coastline. Organisations are trying to tackle the ongoing problem by promoting regular cleaning drives, where volunteers can pick up as much as 1 tonne of garbage in a day.
We find a lot of cans, a lot of beer bottles as well, but we've also found some more unusual things like Christmas baubles.
Ducks and fish, for example. There are many things that can die.
They might think these are prey. For instance, if turtles find plastic bags in the water, they might think it's a jellyfish, and seals do it too. They eat rubbish and then, well, they suffocate.
Researchers have also found that young turtles are very susceptible to eating plastic, as they spend their early years feeding near the sea surface, inadvertently eating waste that humans leave behind.